Oh yeah, baby. Looking for measuring tape over here. That's why I usually try to keep it on my belt. So it's always there. $15 by 24. So we said 15, 15. So this is gonna be the front where the furnace is. This is gonna be the back. So the back will give it a, I don't know. Tres cuartos. One inch. Usually I gotta make the hole bigger so that the whole thing can go in. So usually I go like this. Oh, yep, yep. And then I turn around. Boom, game over. Squeeze a little bit and then turn. Boom. Oh, thank you, sir. One hole is enough. Con un agujero es suficiente, amigos. Aquí ya puedes dar la esquina, mira. Now we need a cap to cap it off. Uh-oh. 2 inches bigger on each side. Veinte, 22. That was probably my alert. The safe mode exploded already. I could probably start working already. Oh yeah. Safe moon, baby. Hey, if none of you guys are into crypto, man, don't get left behind. That's all I gotta say. Don't get left behind. Trying to do everything by the book, guys. I do stuff like this, and normally I never post any videos, so I'm gonna try this new method of just honestly just going raw unedited, because if not, if you need to see this, welcome to my channel, man. I do electrical and HVAC license in Zone 5. Usually I do buildings and houses and stuff like this, electrical and HVAC. But for this one, I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. And this time, I'll show you guys more, you know, more in that. This one I'm gonna try to do as much as I can by myself. That way, you get to view as much as possible. Just don't ask any questions. Just watch. No questions, okay? Jesus Christ. It's because you know what happens? That sometimes when I let the guys use it, they use this with the hammer and it bends. You see right here, it's just kind of bent. It messes up my edge. So usually that's why I don't like letting people use my tools. But sometimes you got no choice. You want to get a nice crease. That's the trick, man. You got to get a solid crease. That's literally the trick. Oh, that's the mailman. All right.